Water sports are one of children's favorite forms of entertainment. But as parents, we must ensure their safety. Here, I would like to recommend to you the top 10 water safety tips. What every parent should know: ongoing supervision. As parents, we should always actively supervise our children near water. Make sure they are within their arm's reach. In this way, even if the child has some inappropriate behavior, we can also detect and take measures in time. Learn swimming skills. Getting your child into swimming lessons early builds confidence and safety skills. This way, when the child gets older and can swim independently, they will be able to move more freely on the water. Use the correct buoyancy device. Make sure children who are not good swimmers are near water. Wear an approved life jacket or buoyancy device. In this way, even if the child encounters an unexpected situation, you can also get timely rescue. Safety railings. Install a fence with a self-closing gate. Prevent unsupervised access to swimming pools. In this way, even if the child runs to play in the depths of the water, can be detected and stopped in time. Learn cardiopulmonary resuscitation (CPR). Be prepared for emergencies by taking CPR and first aid classes. So when the child is swimming, we can perform cardiopulmonary resuscitation in time to improve the success rate of treatment. Establish rules and boundaries. Set clear guidelines for water activities such as no diving in shallow waters. In this way, children will not be unaware of. Reduce the possibility of accidents by entering dangerous waters. Pay attention to the weather. Avoid swimming during storms and choose indoor swimming pools. This way, even if your child encounters bad weather while swimming, you can also adjust your itinerary in time to avoid unnecessary dangers. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and use sunscreen to prevent dehydration and sunburn. This allows children to maintain their body's water balance while swimming. Avoid discomfort such as dehydration and heat stroke. Skin protection. Apply sunscreen regularly and seek shade to prevent UV damage. In this way, children can better protect their skin when swimming. Avoid sunburn and UV damage. Prepare for emergencies. Have a first aid kit and emergency contact information near water, so when the child is swimming, we can provide timely first aid to help reduce accidental mortality. In short, although water sports are fun, safety issues cannot be ignored. As parents, we should always pay attention to the safety of our children.